Hi, I'm Melissa and this is the TFY Universal Headrest Mount, which can be used for iPads, iPad minis and other 7 to 11 inch tablets. It has a durable, stain-resistant elasticated strap with Velcro securing patches, plus a pair of metal holding brackets for safely securing iPads and tablets to the headrest strap. This strap and brackets will maintain tension during travel, ensuring no risk of your device moving. It works with both adjustable and fixed height headrests. For adjustable height headrests, you just wrap the elasticated strap around vertically, and for fixed height headrests, wrap the strap horizontally. What makes the universal headrest mount unique is that it is simple to install and can be used on either the front passenger's or the driver's seat headrest. To connect your device to the elasticated strap, you use the plastic-coated metal brackets provided, which will snugly fit your device even while it's still in its protective case. The plastic coating protects the iPad or tablet from any marking or damage, and sewn-on Velcro patches secure each bracket to the headrest strap. Fitting the headrest strap and mounting of iPads and tablets into the brackets takes just seconds, and anyone can do it. Once fitted, the strap can be left permanently in place with no inconvenience to travellers, or it can be stowed away in a seat pocket, and the mount is also easily transferable between vehicles. Once mounted, the device screen angle can be easily adjusted by rotating the headrest strap slightly one way or the other. The holding brackets are small but strong, allowing easy access to all the side ports. The major benefits of the TFY Universal Headrest Mount is that it sits comfortably on a headrest, allowing your child or passenger in the back seat to watch a movie or play a game with their head up and their hands free. There'll be no more sore necks or motion sickness from looking down at a handheld device. This is an easy-to-use headrest mount suitable for a range of devices, which is a must for anyone who wants a safe and reliable way to use their device on car journeys. It will entertain both children and adults throughout your travels.